My people, them, now good morning. How are they? Today now another day we God don't make we go happy for inside. We not get true. So we don't talk the salvation thesis. I start to explain what is salvation. We say salvation, say not deliverance. Deliverance from sin, deliverance from the power of the enemy. All of them join. Salvation now free gift we God give. So this salvation so now God walk. Now who be this God who they talk? Jesus Christ. This salvation so because he explain how Jesus Christ still come. Bible talk out for Old Testament how Jesus Christ will come save us, he come die for our sin, he come rise up again. For all this one they don't talk and they follow me just in the New Testament that will come this year for the first time. Bible don't they talk and teaching. So last week we talk who bring us in a God, then bring this salvation. So not be man work. So anyway, you see any man wait to say I don't okay, I don't need Jesus Christ. You know what's in that with the apple. So but now we leave that talk. We want to put that talk for corner. Now, how long this salvation when God brings so? Now, how long it will last? Say when you go market, you go supermarket, you want to buy something. Before you go buy it, you go look whether which day now it go expire. You go look and say, okay, this one they expire January 20th, 2025. Say hope still there, but then after 2025, it don't expire. It means say you go need to buy another one. But make we look at how many times, even before that, how many times now Jesus Christ buy this salvation? He did for Bible. We know we just take they take out the thing come say this salvation. So now how many times did the people? Say many people will come say today they receive Jesus Christ. Tomorrow again they go say they receive Jesus Christ. Now how many times this salvation he lands person for eternal life? How many times? So this salvation so that the same thing as eternal life. We will see how for John 3:16 say for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son, that whosoever believe in him will perish but will get eternal life. We separate eternal life from salvation. So look up. We go rush, go Bible, go look up. They tell us waiting or how long this salvation it will last. Make we look. So, make we look for the book of Hebrew. Hebrew chapter 9, verse 11 and 12. But Christ, when be high priest of better things when they come with a very working and better building, where they not make with hand. Where it be say, not be a building where they make with hand. Not be saying that the temple where they see so. And not be by animal blood whether na goat or na cow, but na your own blood e can't enter inside once. You see how once enter the holy place when he don't buy eternal everlasting salvation for us. They see also so what be eternal life? Na everlasting life. Everlasting, he say he know the end. He say he know the end, and that na the life of God. That na what is salvation in give us. So you go to say, hey, there's only one place for Bible. You want to tell me which other one you get? Oh, make you relax. I want to show you too. Make you go look for Hebrews chapter 10. Hebrews 10 from 10 to 12. He said he don't sanctify us or he don't free us from sin through his body when he gave through the body of Jesus Christ once and for all. But you see all the high priests now every day the high priest with them day inside the temple. Now every day that they offer this sacrifice where no go fit take away the sin. So that they do them every day when they take away sin. He say, but this man, after he don't present in the sacrifice for sin forever, he can't sit down on the right hand. My chest. This kind of thing, they make person here, they want to ball. This kind of thing, not the way they must bread. You understand? For when they talk to a serious matter, so you see and say, he do it once and for all. Now once and for all. Forever and ever and ever. Titi lie. Now this one they call, Jehovah don't do me strong, Jehovah don't do me strong, It is a testimony, that is what the testimony will come. Now once and for all, could not vex. This one don't catch me for body. See, as a see also this one it me for body well. Like this, happiness impossible from my bed. So I go they talk like oh no. My brother and sister, this is salvation. Now what's not Jesus? They do them today again, do them tomorrow. Like the other high priest them. Every day they do their own. Every day they do their own. Now what's night? Now what's night pay for them? One time last. Oh, so as he do once, so you also now say one time too. Now one time, then you say one time. Now one time, person they born again. If you see, how many times he say now once. I think do it once. He complete harm. He don't leave any small thing remain. Nothing remain. Now only two scriptures I don't read. My head is done the one box. because the thing I think the thinking I'm at the thinking it don't be strong thing here. I try. Look, Romans 6:23. We cannot they carry the way by this joy when they come from my belly. He said, the salary we sin, they give na death, na die. But the gift, they are awful. Where God, he give na everlasting life with this I Christ. Everlasting life with this I Christ Jesus. I first stop the matter here today, but make say, we're gonna dey here. The thing don't they reach the height where we say you get to understand what thing you carry, what thing they inside you. Oh, and they tell you, so we could not leave this channel, we could not pick share am, give am to your mama, give am to your papa. We know they understand English. You go come understand this one, you go come understand what in this Bible. You they talk, my people. And I thank you very much for listening. Oh yeah, we go talk another day.